Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Kumari, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Welcome back to our another video, Afrs MCQ times. This is UGC NET multiple choice questions. Question number 31. Radial diffusion test is used for the detection of the options are A. Colostrum, B. Hepatoglobulins, C. Hemoglobin, D. Amylase, and the correct answer is D. Amylase. Question 32. Human hair, when examined under microscope, will reveal A. Thick cortex and thin medulla, B. Thin cortex and thick medulla, C. Cortex and medulla with equal thickness, or D. None of the above. And the correct answer is A. Thick cortex and thin medulla. Question 33. In starch-iodine test, the starch turns in the following color on addition of iodine. The options are A. Purple, B. Blue, C. Green, D. Pink. And the correct answer is B. Blue. Question 34. Accumulation of epithelial skin tags at the end of a wound is seen in which of the following? The options are A. Abrasion, B. Incised, C. Split laceration, or D. Chop wound. And the correct answer is A. Abrasion. Question 35. Match the following constituents of the paints. List first vehicle, second lacquer, third varnish, fourth plasticizer. List second. 1. Used in a polymer to increase its flexibility. 2. Pigment distribution. 3. Fast drying coatings. 4th. Solution of drying oils and resins in organic solvents. And the correct codes for this question is D. 2341. Question 36. Following is not improvised explosive. The options are A. Pipe bomb, B. Letter bomb, C. Hand grenade, or D. Acid bulb. And the correct answer is C. Hand grenade. Question 37. Match the following. List first. A. Antimony sulfate, B. Cordite, C. Gun cotton, D. Dynamite. List 2. First nitroglycerine, second nitrocellulose powder, third double base smokeless powder, fourth primer. And the correct code for this question is A. Fourth, third, second, first. Question 38. Assertion. The shortening of barrel increases dispersion of pellets and shotgun. Reason? It produces less pressure inside the barrel. The codes are A. Both assertion and reason are wrong, B. Both assertion and reason are correct, C. Assertion is correct but reason is wrong, D. Assertion is wrong but reason is correct. And the correct answer is B. Both assertion and reason are correct. Question 39. Jib gun is a. The options are A. 12-bore gun, B. Automatic gun, C. Improvised firearm, or D. AK-47. And the correct answer is C. Improvised firearm. Question 40. Ramrod is a part of. The options are A. 12-bore gun, B. 8-bore gun, C. Muzzle loaders, or D. AK-47. And the correct answer is C. Muzzle loaders. Question 41. Match the following. List first. First tempered glass, second borosilicate glass, third colored glass, fourth rock wool. List 2. First metallic oxides, second molten rock, third dice formation, fourth constituents B2O3. And the correct code for this question is C. 3412. Question 42. The following is a regenerated fiber. The options are A. Cotton, B. Rayon, C. Nylon, or D. Silk. And the correct answer is B. Rayon. Question 43. Which of the following statements is not true in case of an accident report? The options are A. The diagram of the position of the vehicles as found after the accident should be present, B. Diagram of the tire marks, impact marks, and other items found at the scene should be present, C. The report may contain statements made by the parties or witnesses at the later stage, D. Photographs of the scene. And the correct answer is C. The report may contain statements made by the parties or witnesses at a later stage. Question 44. The following is the most suitable casting material for preserving footwear impressions. The options are A. Plaster of Paris, B. Plasticine, C. Dental stone, or D. Paraffin wax. And the correct answer is C. Dental stone. Question 45. The annealing temperature for ordinary glass is The options are A 200 to 350 degrees Celsius, B 100 to 250 degrees Celsius, C 500 to 650 degrees Celsius, or D 800 to 950 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is C 500 to 650 degrees Celsius. Question 46. The multiplication factor to estimate stature from femur is. The options are A 3.8, B 4.8, C 5.8, or D 6.8. The correct answer is A 3.8. Question 47. The following is not a component of Gustafson's method. The options are A artration, B dentition, C root resorption, or D cementum apposition. And the correct answer is B dentition. Question 48. The following formula is used for the determination of stature. The options are A Gustafson's, B Carl-Pearson's, C Harrison-Guillory, D Cashmere. And the correct answer is B Carl-Pearson's. Question 49. A fetus become viable by the age of. The options are A 6 months, B 7 months, C 8 months, or D 9 months. And the correct answer is B 7 months. Question 50. The total number of torsal bones in a person aged 12 years is. The options are A 5, B 6, C 7, or D 8. And the correct answer is C 7. I hope these questions will help you in your preparations. For any query, write down in the comment section, and please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.